Why does saliva come out when we sleep? Saliva is a liquid proteinaceous substance containing amylase enzyme and is produced by salivary glands under tongue. Because of amylase, starch gets broken down into sugars and gets digested easily. A normal person produces up to 1.9 liters of saliva in a day, but sometimes a person may face a situation where excessive saliva is coming out. Such excessive saliva may come out because of certain diseases like infection in mouth, teething, pregnancy, GERD, acute sinusitis, allergies, enlarged adenoids, tumor, Parkinson's disease, etc. There is also a probability that the person has less capacity to swallow or keep saliva in his mouth. Yawning can also activate the glands. Such swallowing can be caused by the enlargements of adenoids of glands, allergies, etc. If a person is facing such issue of excessive saliva, he must consult the doctor as this problem can be very small or may be very serious. Why does Saturn have rings? The solar system has now 8 planets and Saturn is one of them. Saturn is very special among them as it bears a ring-like structure on it. Such rings of Saturn were firstly observed by Galileo in 1610 and still it is mystery that how actually such rings have formed. However, there are several predictions about it. Firstly, it is believed that Saturn's rings have come from a celestial object and is still with Saturn because of its high gravity and vector force. It is composed of billions of individual particles like rocks, dust, ice, etc. It orbits Saturn above just its equator. Sizes of such vary from a few centimeters to several hundred meters in diameter. Saturn is not a unique planet as only it has rings, but in reality, Uranus, Jupiter and Neptune also have such rings. The only difference is Saturn's rings are bigger than the rings of other planets. Why does the moon follow us when we drive? While moving on the road, we leave things behind us at the speed we are moving. As we look up the sky, we see the moon following us even though we speed up and cross miles. This is mainly because the distance of the moon is approximately 240,000 miles and it being above us, we only see the moon following. The high distance of the moon and the earth and the relative low speed of the car in relation to the distance the car travels on earth, the angle of the moving car and the moon does not differ or change greatly, even though the car moves at its highest speed. The angle also remains the same and therefore we only see the things on our left and right moving behind us, but the moon looking at us from above and following. Astronomers define the moon following as the impact of the distance of the moon and the earth. Why does weather change? It will be really repetitive to say that weather changes because we all are known to it. Such change in weather takes place because of factors like heat, wind, moisture, etc. Process starts when the sun heats the earth's surface in uneven manner. This happens because sunlight does not fall in the same manner on every part of the earth. For example, the ocean takes longer to get heated in comparison to land. Such uneven heating causes wind and wind then moves the clouds here and there. During heat process by the sun on the earth, clouds carry water in vapor forms which fall down as snow or water on being heavy. In change of weather temperature plays an important role by causing density changes in air and water. Change of weather is a dynamic process which continues forever. The sun is the primary factor to cause such changes.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.